In this video, I will show you how to align text on left and right side in Microsoft Word. So to do this setting, firstly type here your left side text. Now press the tab and here you will see the align. So move your align here and type right. So now press enter. Now press the tab again. So you can align the text on both sides. I will make some big size so it can appear properly like this. So what you do, I will remove again, I will show you again. Firstly write your left side and press tab on your keyboard. Make sure you press the tab on your keyboard. Now here you click anyway on your this scroll bar ruler, and here you will see the small angle. Select and drop anyway in right side like this. Here now write your right side. Now adjust the size if you need. That's it. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.